What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Here is a simple bicep workout for a beginner out there using only dumbbells. 1. Pick a weight that you can perform 12 to 15 reps with perfect form. Then start with alternating curls, doing 10 reps on each arm, and then without any rest switch to unison curls and also do 10 reps. And again, without resting, switch to hammer curls and also do 10 reps. And that's one complete set. Trust me, by the end of your hammer curls, your bicep will be on fire. Do this for 3 sets, resting 2 to 3 minutes between the sets and 2 to 3 times a week. You will notice massive growth in your biceps within 6 to 8 weeks. Of course, not forgetting to maximize your protein intake and also eating in a slight calorie surplus. Let me know what you think about the video, and of course, if you like it, smash that like button and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Mad love.